Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel IT Corporate Couple. Today we are going to start our next question, day 7 of SQL 50-day series challenge from Leetcode. So today we are going to solve seventh problem of SQL 50 challenge, and let's see how it goes and what's the category of the question. So category of the question, we see that the easy. So let's try. And the question is, the topic is based on product sale and sales analysis. All right, so let's go ahead. We have the column name, table sales, and we have the column sale id, product id, year, quantity and price, and the type is int. All right, and the sales id and year here is the primary key, means it has the unique value in all the rows. Now let's see the table, product table. There is also another table, product, which has column product id and product name. Let's see the question now. Write a solution to report the product name, year, and price for each sales ID in the sales table. Now let's see the column name, product name, year, price belongs to which table. All right, let's introduce with the table, input table, sales table, product table. There are two tables available in the question, and in the output we have three column, product name, year, and price. Now let's see the product name belongs to which table. This product name column belongs to second table. If you can see, second table of product table. All right, so this column will come from product table. All right, and then year and price, and we'll see these two columns, year and price, coming from this table, sales table, this two columns. So we can clearly see that there are different columns and coming from two different tables. So what does it mean? Either we use subquery or either we are going to use joins. All right, so let's get started. Let's solve with the question. Now select is used to retrieve the data, you know that. Now select which column, this product name, then just copy it, and the next column is year, then price and from. La- like here we can see that there are two tables, so from, sales and product. All right, so here basically there are two method that I'm going to use, but firstly I'm going to use first method just for the beginners. And if you know the other method also, just pause this video, apply other video via other solution, and comment down in the below section. I'll also provide the link of my previous question or all the previous SQL real world problem question into the description box. Just go and check out and also try this one. Let's start. So this question belongs to joins. I'm using the first method. Okay, joins. So product name coming to which table? Let's name this table sales as S and product as P. All right, now we are joining this table with, we can clearly see that this is inner join question. How I have recognized it? This is the basic question, because see the product ID 100, 200, 300, and on, and look at the product ID of the sales table 100, 100, 200. So we can see that the columns and a column ID are matching. So we can use inner join. Also there is a very tricky thing that you can apply whenever there is a question to ask each, every, like each table, every table, all these keywords, always remember, use for left joins. This is a tricky one. Don't this is a just one thing to check if we are going right. So this is a tricky one. This is a tricks you can apply. So here this is inner join, I'm saying. Now on what basis we are joining this? On product. So S dot product id is equals to P dot product id. All right, we are joining this table on the basis of product id. Now also this column belongs to which table? P table, and this column belongs to S table, and this is also price belongs to S. Now let's run this query. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so it is accepted for one test case. Always remember, whenever we run any query in the lead code, it always shows that it always shows the solution for the test case one only, and other remaining test cases, 13 test cases, will get the final result after submitting it. So let's move on to submit it, and let's see. Okay, now the solution has been accepted for all the test cases, and it has already beat 77% of user in MySQL. Also guys, just do remember that we are using MySQL database. So sometime what happens, it uh, it doesn't mean that whatever the function or the clause we are using here in MySQL would work for the other databases also. You just have to cross check while using those, because all database varies somehow. Now let's go to the other method that I'm going to use. Just let's do it, comment. All right, oops. Okay, so we are commenting, and I'm providing you hint here. Hint one for this second method is using this, using function. Now let's try this. Although it's a hint, again pause this video. Try. Sure, you have used using function, and in the next video, I'll describe the other method also. Let's prepare together and learn more. All the best.